Hey everyone, it's Lisa from countrygirlslife.com. Today I wanted to give you a little overview of a new free printable that we have on the website. And these are Christmas crackers. That's our new free printable. And we have a Santa, reindeer, snowman. If you're not familiar with Christmas crackers, they're an English tradition. And you fill them with a little treat, usually a crepe paper crown and a little trinket. And you pull them apart this way. You pull them and they make a little popping noise if they have a snap in them. And there's a little something inside, and it's kind of like something you do at Christmas dinner or to give a small gift to your guests. And so we did some super easy, just print and cut Christmas crackers that you can make at home for a Christmas dinner party, or to give away as party favors, classroom gifts, a little something for coworkers. And we've done all the design work for you. All you have to do is print and cut. We have free Cricut cut files to make things super easy. I highly recommend if you have a Cricut using it. I'll just go over really quickly, give you a quick little look at each of them. You know, here's the reindeer, and he's got, you know, little 3D antlers and ears, and I used a piece of red ribbon for a scarf. And we've got a Santa Claus here, also 3D, and a snowman, and they've just got cute little faces. And so I'll just really quickly go over how this works. Now, these I cut out with a Cricut. They're a little bit on the smaller side due to the size limitations of the Cricut. If you are printing these out and cutting them out by hand, they'll be a little bit larger than what you see here. But if you do have a Cricut, I would recommend using it because it is a fair amount of intricate cuts. Here's some that I've already cut out, the reindeer and the Santa Claus. And as you can see, you have these diamond shapes. You can use an X-Acto knife or a finger knife if you're good with a finger knife. And then you'll essentially be doing 1, 2, 3 folds there, and then 1, 2, 3 folds there. And I highly recommend using a trim and scoreboard with a scoring tool because you can get really nice straight lines that fold really nicely. And for those long cuts, you know, you can just cut that off really quick and easy. I use this almost every paper craft that I have. So if you don't have that in your crafting arsenal, I highly recommend it. And essentially, once you do those folds that I talked about, you're going to be rolling it, give it a pre-roll so it kind of wants to hold that shape, and then gluing the tabs, the provided tabs that are here. I hit it with a Beacon 3-in-1. It's a very fast drying glue that's acid-free, waterproof. You have to hold it in place for about 30 seconds. But it's not too bad. You can use some craft clamps, blue painter's tape, as long as there's no glue under the painter's tape, that could become a problem. And then once that's all done, you need to seal, well, I guess you should fold first. Kind of fold it, you know, this has been glued, fold it, push it kind of together like this so you get that cracker shape. And then I've used what's called elastic cord is what it's called. And it comes in silver, gold, and probably some other colors. That's on Amazon. This works really well for this project. I'll link to that on our website. And tie off one end using that cord. And then you want to, fill it with something. I'm just using some chapstick. And you can put some candy in there in the center. And if it's an adult version, you know, maybe a little mini liquor bottle or something fun like that, a small bottle of perfume. And then you're just going to, let me move these out of the way, go and tie with the elastic cord. You're going to tie a knot like this. This cord works on tension, so you have to give it a good tug and then a little bow. And you can cut off anything that's unsightly or too long or whatever. But that's your basic Christmas cracker. And so that's kind of the overview of how it works. I just wanted to show you really quickly. We have detailed Cricut instructions step-by-step on our website. We have free Cricut cut files. We have free printables if you don't have a Cricut and you just want to do this the old-fashioned way. We have that available to you too, free printable PDFs. And there they all are again. So head down to the link there below this video, which will take you to our website where you can download these. And I hope you enjoy these and use them at your Christmas parties, classroom parties, dinner parties, whatever. My gift to you. Merry Christmas, everybody. Thanks.